radiator housing G3 part. So first we can see the effect of the setting. Okay, first, if the setting is not okay, the part will get short like this. Okay, so this is the example of the part with the reject of short. So what we will do, so we will adjust first. We will increase the pressure. Okay, a little bit of pressure, speed, and also time. So we increase, and also we increase a little bit of holding pressure and speed. So we will run. Okay. So now we can see the difference between two. Okay. This is before with the reject short, and after we do the parameter adjustment, so we will get the good part. Okay.